On this week's episode of National Geographic, we'll be observing this monkey in its natural habitat, the Amazon jungle. Welcome. In all seriousness now, look how long you don't see me. From about my birthday or before my birthday, I miss me did go live for my birthday, but I know say not everybody watch the live them. So I know say I have to go fill on in with every little thing when I miss out. But I road me I go start beard, me I go beard. I'm a little bath, yeah. Me I wash out she, you can't see because I have to put it up on one piece of tank up here so. I just wash out she. I'm already got full of bucket here. I'm just full of bucket. Oh, I'm not strong enough. I'm just full of. Oh no, see that? I drop my phone nearly drop out my tank, you know. You know me I take on down. Wait, hold on. I say nearly most me not take on back up, you know. Because see the phone there? I dead right in front of my eyes and I don't know it would I go. I don't know it would I go because I couldn't afford the funeral, much less a replacement. But as I tell you, I go me and mommy I go on the road. Well, I new over here, I don't know a bend down splash up me I play. So when you see me out of the camera frame, I don't know what time it is. And yes, if anybody wonder, I still use mommy Japanese cherry blossom soap from Bath and Body Works on my teeth. Okay? It's still going strong right just in it. Oh wait there. Oh see I never put it back in the soap dish. Alright, this is gonna be a moment of realness. Bear with me. So you know, say from one day I've been feeling really out of it and everything. I mean I tell you, cause I know say somehow when I tell you my business, I always end up feeling a little bit better. So may I tell you now. From one day I've been feeling really out of it. I don't know what I say, I'm a overthinker, I'm talk to myself. I wonder if you can see me because the sun just come out so. I'm a overthinker, I'm talk to myself. I say, April, I want to you. What really a problem? And alright, if you scroll down in my channel, you'll realize that one of the videos that used to be on here is no longer on here because I deleted it, right? If you're there from them time there, you know which video me talk. I don't want to see. And the reason why I take it down, hold on, let me wait up by the rug. The reason why I take it down is the other day, I know I'm respond to all of the comments them. So the other day, I check my new comments and thing, and I saw a particular comment on the video. And don't get me wrong, I appreciate all of the comments them, and honestly in myself, I know that the person never mean nothing negative by it. Don't get me wrong. But the fact that it was such like a personal thing and a vulnerable thing to share. Like, if you say something and I feel like it never delivered in the right way, I feel some type of way because, like, oh God. I don't want to start talking about this, you know. I don't want to start talking about this. I wear brush, don't make a scrub off my foot now. But anyways, the point is I saw a particular comment and it made me delete the video. Honestly, I did think about to delete it already, and then I see the comment and it just come like, what them say? What are they saying? They go, I don't remember. But you see, ever since I delete it, I find out say it just come like, because if you don't remember, if you watched the video and you recall, I did say it was the first time I ever said that out loud. I've never told anybody. And just to say it out loud, it feel like such a weight kind of lift up off of my shoulder. And now I find out, say, I take it back, I retract it, it just come like, if you not see me. You not see me? Tell me, you know. Because through the sun, I want like a glare over here, so. Ever since me take it back, it just feel like me like a dirty secret again. And it feel like me have it for beer again. It feel like the weight, me don't want to talk about this. It feel like the weight where it come off of my shoulder somehow come back. And now we just feel like me just have this like a dark cloud over my head. And I try to be positive and everything and all of that, but me don't know. It made me feel like I regret deleting it because just saying it and putting it out there do such a wonderful thing for me. And now that me take it back, I feel like me the back at square one again. But at the same time, I don't regret it because me know that it's my story, it's my trauma, and not everybody gets to have a say in that, if you don't understand me. And I know that so many people did relate to it, and that break my heart even more. And a part of me wish me did leave it up because just to see how many people were able to relate to that. I don't know if somebody where did need to see it, I gonna miss out on seeing it now. Somebody where they need for safe for them thing and free for themselves. Watch me there so I make the soap dry up on me. So me just telling us that that's why I'm not really see me and thing because me just been a feel kind of pessimistic. I say I don't go tell my teeth that white rag from me no, but I go tell the people them. May I come along, may I come? May I have to bend down and wash off? I don't know if the woman over there start people. Alright. I just run go for the brush to scrub off my foot and come back. But I beard, I done beard. Now about my birthday. If you never get to catch the live and you don't follow me on Instagram, maybe you don't know that Thursday was my birthday, the 4th. I want to tell them a show. Oh Lord God, me hope. Me titty them that the right side show. It's a big bump here. Somebody love me? Yes, as when I said Thursday that my birthday, I'm going to be on live. I mean, I tell everybody say God no. I turned 26. I mean, I tell everybody say God no. I don't feel for going away. I don't feel for do nothing. I just feel exhausted. After almost 1 year of motherhood, I just feel like I just want to watch cartoon, eat and sleep on my birthday. That's all I want to do. Anyway, I did the pan live and I make Uno CM1 inveigle me. And I said, alright, I just go down a Sharky's, go eat a little fish and come back in the yard. But it just so happens, as me ready for left now, boom, I regret to get diarrhea. And did she alone and go be home, so I said, no man, I can't do that. Somebody decide to stay home, then boom, going at the 3 o'clock, so it looked like the diarrhea, I said bye-bye. TMI, oh she couldn't like either word, they might stop say it. But it looked like, watch that man here look upon me. Little shit, you. I know me nah move. Me nah move. I might yard me, you know. So anyways, me decide say me just go up on the road, go buy some KFC, go buy a little zinger and come back because I said, yeah man, can't bother it late here now. I'm not like they out on the road late because when time I touch 6 o'clock, I ready for name up herself when she want to go sleep. So I just say I go buy a little zinger and come back. I mean I telling her because only in my DMs they ask me oh not get no vlog for my birthday. So I just telling her say because I didn't do anything. I never end up doing nothing for my birthday. But when at the 4 o'clock I'm reaching at KFC, I just buy zinger for me and mommy. Come back on me yard, put my baby to bed and go on my bed as usual. That's all I did. So we're back to regular programming now. Next month to Irie birthday, so now we get Irie birthday vlog. I can't go in, you know. But tell me why I never carry my towel out here. Why bump up my face? Why bump up my face so? I don't know why I never carry my towel and God knows say. I see him so I run go in, you know. You no judge me I know first me I do it. I know first me I do it and it now go be the last. Me just say hope. So hope nobody can see me. Hold on. Let me turn the camera so. When you see outer road, anybody where pass this can see me now. So what me do, me just stay right at the corner, yeah? I peep out so. If nobody out there. And if nobody not out there, me just run. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Bad my body, so me got my stories, my body be soon come. Alright, sorry about that glare, about the window over there, so I have to open it because I need fresh air. But I don't know it got Vaseline to my body. Area sleeping us, so as me tell you, me and mommy and Garo, then naturally we are bring Iris, so me just try hurry up to start out myself before Iris wakes so that mommy can go start out herself. We left out. Me say why me just draw the frack your ass say. Me I go around this to go stay with Iris. Me tell you say I sleep, Iris sleep, you know. Me say me I go stay with Iris, make mommy go bed before I put on my clothes. Why am I going this to go see Iris wide awake? Stop eating the earphone, miss. Why are you awake? Yesterday me give Iris them like a 4 ketchup here. As you can see, it not really say much right now. Stop eating my earphone. Me say you know say my one little earphone when me have me go take it left down at the hotel what there. And the housekeeper we're going there, she don't report me something last time phone, she take it, but don't worry yourself, got to sleep. All the USB I don't at the hotel me have to buy because my charger mash up down there. And me have to pay $2,700 and something for this. But anyway, I up. So I just make myself a cup of Cheerios right there. And me I come ready, me and Ari. I say the Cheerios short of milk. Me I make it and the milk done. Watch Ari over my cup. Watch her. Watch her. Watch her. Why you hand in my cup, Ari? Ari, why is your hand in my cup? Watch here. Watch her. She like Cheerios. I'ma just make sure eat it because it's rich in fiber, so I'm not too worried about it. But already, me go ready. Nobody have to take out the spoon. Already, we are go ready with self. I think I show them the little dress. I didn't show them, I remember. But I'm gonna make Ira wear one of our new dress. I'm gonna make sure wear this. When time it done, when we done, you know we see. Wagwan, me I put on that dress here. I don't know if I show them, I remember. But me I go get me an Irish started out because mommy gonna be right now and she not like wheat pan, so we are try hurry up. I mean if you eat that Cheerios they come hungry. And now we gonna have to change Irie's whole outfit because Irie gonna be wearing these Crocs. And these Crocs don't go with that outfit, so she's not gonna be wearing this. And these little shorts here. But look at these Crocs. You're going to tell me these not the cutest things you ever see in your life. If you was on my live the other day and you wanted to hear my Trinidadian accent, this is my Trinidadian accent. I'm not really from Jamaica. I'm actually from Trinidad. But I love Jamaica so much, I try to learn the accent. Irie over there, so she watching her little Miss Rachel on her tablet. And we are about to get her ready now. And I'll come back to you guys. Alright, me that try for show the Irie little fit mommy run about this so she know well what I'm sure, but we don't get a little peep. Me never really want to wear that dress if I tell you the truth. This is only the second time I wear it. My sister did buy it for me. With one next one when she come from foreign. But she never knows some more that breed. And she would have the little belly part there, so I'm going to show you the picture it. But I did wear it when I'm pregnant. But I couldn't really show no Irie full fit. But catch the Crocs them. Them Crocs here come from generations. Because my sister did buy it for my niece. And you know it go, it can't fit her, so Irie take it over. And now she need a little quarters outfit and little Crocs. But them can't hold my baby. But if you follow me on Instagram, I post a little picture on my story. So you know so them time tomorrow so I go gone. But we are left out now. And we picking up when we reach. But I don't know if we reach it. Alright, Miss Irie, she drop asleep. I know see person come and let you know. We reach in a sentence, babe. Let me tell you something. Every time I go on the road, I always see somebody in the comments and I post the vlog and say, Me see you, but I didn't want to call to you, but my friend, you can't stop it. You know, say my friend them stop it, man. When you see me, you must call to me and stop the foolishness. But mommy, me look on them back there down there, so we come because we look something for my cousin's birthday tomorrow. But we pass one place down, so I don't know if you can see when I see some bag. I don't know, I'm going to buy fear and I just walk and look and see what my pocket can afford. So I don't know, you know, say anywhere we go still, I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to show you when I get fear yet because I'm going to post the vlog tonight and tomorrow birthday, I'm going to wash the seat. Alright, may I look on them bag, yeah? I'm looking at these Zara bags. Could I use a card? No. No, just paper. I'm gonna look on bathsuit because what did she tell me say she wants a bathsuit, so may I say it would be considerate to get a bathsuit. And them are really nice, but I'm kind of afraid to buy the bathsuit because I don't know our taste. You know, everybody kind of different when it comes to them something there, but we are shop around still. Alright, we are looking on Jewelrama because honestly my bag is already secured. So mommy a shop around, you know. She said she a look on watch. I know. Mommy said them too dear. Gonna get here and some of the shop call our name. There goes the price. They're nice. Hey, me I want oh, chain, me I don't think so. Them are more masculine. But it don't matter because you know some women like them, especially them kind of gold one, yeah. Okay, we're shopping, still shopping. But you know what, yo, mommy in here done me. She said me stop calling her name. Mommy said I better help her find something because she helped me find my gift. Just because she said make we go in another place there. She said for going in the place and me find the thing. So apparently now she find my thing, so I'm supposed to find for her thing. Alright, I finally wait. What should I do? Say? Yeah, my man I call to her about Indian. But that me I go tell you know like I'm gonna catch up to me. Me in the place, in the Indian store, look on the jewelry. So mommy find what she want to buy, but she a beg discount and it not work. Hear me to the woman now? I say give me a discount, man. My daughter, you're distant relative. Look. Why do people in the store laugh after me? But me I walk going to the end of the street, yeah, go pick up something. I don't have to know what I don't know business. And everything I go tell you know. I soon come. There's so much bun still left on shelf and Easter done long time. There's some of them on sale. But as you can see, me and mommy come in a supermarket now. So she going to take up 2 little nabble grabble. Okay, we're stopping at KFC, naturally. And we have to buy a mash for Ari, naturally. So see her over there, feed her case and look for her clothes. Look for her clothes. Change your clothes, then but one probably just make sure wear this stuff. And me just get wings as usual. So I'm hungry, me I got liver white. That's alright. So you're pretty. That's why you're going. Alright, we're in a taxi. We just stop up this stuff to buy apple. I don't want the taxi man to me. We just stop up this stuff to buy apple. Mommy gonna buy the stuff for the bag. So we just wait till it load for go back up. I'm tired. Here is the finished result of Irie's shirt. Gorgeous as always. And this is Irie wanting to stand in the taxi because she thinks that she is home and she can still climb on me like she does. I'm from reach over to come up. See the apple in me? Apple and banana and buy for Irie. I say I'm still in the taxi, but oh, I love excitement. I sit down right here and see Kenisha saying my birthday money in a PayPal. I understand me, so I have to come tell her thanks. But now she the rest of when don't give me nothing for my birthday. I don't have no. Yes, I don't have no. God love me the same way, but God and me love Kenisha for my birthday money. I'm just telling her I'm gonna spend it right now. I'm grateful feet, bad. I'm gonna spend it right now. Thanks, Kenny. Alright, as you can see, me reach home, you know. But me have to run go for them 2 apple. I'm not really hungry now, but an apple and nothing, it's healthy. But I say I want to touch base with you, know. Let me show you how I wash the apple. When time I got apple tree, I'm not have no water, I just bite off the top so and I just give it a little bath. Yep. So if you just want eat a little apple and have no water, so I do it, yeah. Our life really comes when I forgot I road and buy apple and I can't even count how much apple tree they wish for believe. But I think apple time did done, that's why I have to buy this. Anyways, chat too much. Anyway, red crayon is sweet. But I want to touch base with you about the work. And I did tell you earlier, say I kind of already explained about it in the live, but I know say not everybody watch the live, so I just want to go over it real quick. So I gotta do my onboarding Wednesday. Wednesday I'm going in to sign the contract and just get like a tour of the place and get introduced to everybody. So I was explaining on the live that the job when I apply for, me I tell you now, I never did I tell you now where and everything before, but me I tell you now. The job when I applied for, it was at Dolphin Cove for the position of hostess. But when I forgot to do the interview, when I forgot to do the onboarding, I end up having to do it. And if you know Dolphin Cove, you know, so one day I'm Mobile, one day at Ochi, but it is not exactly in Ochi, you know, reach at Ochi yet. So that is the one me it's supposed to work at. But there's another place named Yaman Adventure Park where is the sister property for Dolphin Cove. I guess I like the same people them own two of them. And that is where I'm go do the interview and that is where I'm go do the onboarding. Boom, me do the interview. All this time I'm under the impression say I'm going to be working at Dolphin Cove because that is what I tell mommy, that is what I tell my friend them, because at that me apply for anyways. Go do the onboarding, sign the contract. I realize that when the lady from HR I realize that when the lady from HR introduced me now, first of all, I never even expect her to introduce me up there so. Because I'm not supposed to be working there according to the information we me know. And this place, Yaman Adventure Park, is in St. Mary. It is a ways away from me. So I realized that when time she introduced me, she tell everybody say, this is Kavisha. That's my government name, guys. If you never check my description and know by now, Kavisha my name. So, but you don't call me, so you don't call me April. Yeah, she introduced me and I tell everybody, so this is Kavisha, the new hostess. She's gonna be starting on Monday. So I make she finish talking and then me I said to her, I said, Leonie, why it sound like yes, they're up here, me I go work. And she's like, yeah. But me say I was under the impression that I would be working in Ocho Rios. So me explain to her and I say, like the money or the salary then when me negotiate with them, I said to her, I said, honestly, me couldn't go work for that for come at St. Mary because me don't spend so much money for fear alone, you see me? So she's like, but this are the money when you tell me. Me say, yes, that's the amount when me tell her, but me never factor in me having to come from all the way where me live, come all the way at St. Mary. You understand what I say? So she's like, you don't think the commission will do it? And I never say it to her, but me I say to myself, so I can't rely upon commission. Because at the end of the day, you know, commission still come like tip you. We get some now and you don't get none later. As well as one time it we high, one next time it low. So I can't really rely upon that. I need to have a stable, dependable salary where me know say fine if the commission no run or if a little stingy bit of commission run, me still not go out there but and just a work for me fear. You understand what I'm saying? So she's like, just give it a try then. She's like, give it a try and if your sister it can't work, we'll have a discussion with the general manager. And honestly, me just don't believe her. I don't want to say I don't believe her, but it's just not believable to me. We're gonna have me feel like that discussion with the general manager needs to be had now before me start working, because if we can't finalize it now, then it's gonna look like me I try to create problem because we already settled on a pay and now me I try to give myself a little increase, right? That was the first issue that I had. The second thing is And I was saying on the live, like, this is not me trying to pick the negative outside. But in reality, when you know somebody already very anxious about leaving Irie. When you know this. Because I never hide it. And now, for find out that we are St. Mary, in order for go reach to them, forget there for 8 o'clock. I forgot get up and left my yard like 5 o'clock or before 5. So, again, if you don't remember my last video, when I do, I think I did my Q&A. I'm going to tell you why I did leave the other work there when I did start. I'm going to tell you somebody did start one receptionist job in one spa. And I had to leave because of the hours. I never did get to spend no waking hours with my baby. I left out, she asleep. I come back, she asleep. And this would be the same thing. Except it is rather worse because where I was before, I get 2 days off and this is 6 days a week. So in my head now, me I say, God damn, 6 days a week plus them hours. I saw one little day out of the week, me I'll get to spend with my baby. I'm just not alright with that. I mean, no, so the reality of it is, whether this work or a next work, eventually me have to go do some kind of work. But me just not prepared for do that right now. And I just feel like me abandoned my baby. Honestly, that's how I feel. And I'm very attached to her, probably more than she attached to me. I don't know, maybe something wrong. I don't know. Alright, boom. That's the next issue I had. The third issue that I had was they are supposed to provide my uniform, right? So, I see them in a uniform, I see them in a skirt and a little polo top. So, I said to her, I said, this is a uniform I go wear? She had tell me now, said the person who used to manufacture them uniform. The person who used to manufacture them uniform, they don't work with that company anymore. So now they're having the uniforms made in Mexico because it's a Mexican company, you know, and the uniform them not ready yet. So now she ever tell me, say, in the meantime, me have to wear jeans, black, brown, or blue, I think she said, with one of them color polo top then. And boom, that is going to cost me. So imagine, I want to do the maths, you know. Me I try look the work for get that money. Where me for go get money from for go buy them things then? And granted, I could probably borrow it or something, but why I don't know. So they are sat there, and I'm supposed to go in on Monday as my first day. And from my left there the Wednesday, me I think about it. Thursday when I'm my birthday, I'm saying no, so I not really think about it today. I'm just let it go and think about it tomorrow. And I've been thinking, and honestly, it's been a way upon me because I'm really ready to give this a shot and get back out there and start working. And now it just look like a BS something. So it's like me just not know. And I still think about it and I say, should I give it a try? But a part of me is saying it don't make no sense. And the next part of me I say, if me I question myself, I'm so unsure, maybe it's just a no. Honestly, that may be a say. So at this moment in time, I'm still undecided, telling you the truth. I don't know if I'll go. But tomorrow the last day. Tomorrow Sunday, so I have to go reach out to them by tomorrow. I make them know if me and go yes or no. So I don't know, only just pray for me. Pray for my peace of mind and pray for my clarity. Because I'm just not sure. But yeah, that I did want to tell you know. I'll go right now. I'll eat after. And see if everyone on. Guys. I don't know, pray for me. Anyways, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. I can't believe how fast we are growing. Every time we have to continue. I say that we're growing so quick and I feel so blessed and I'm so appreciative. So if you're watching and subscribe, you know, if you like the video, just subscribe now, man. Subscribe to the thing, man, and like the video and share the video. So I'll cut left for you now. It'll come to evening time. She never sleep in the taxi, so I soon got tidy her after she got for her bed. I'm used to you in the next video. Kenisha girl, thanks for the birthday money. I love you. Thanks for the birthday money later.